Today is about September 16, so ang BP ni Amali is about 106.72.69, no? Again, 106.72.69, no? Again, just for 5 minutes lang siya, medyo na-explain sa left, no? Gastoxurious, today's our first management. With okay, utang imong kailangan. Then, for 5 minutes lang, no? Okay, and start now. Okay, I'm good. Sige, kuhan ra. Okay, good. I'm here with Miss Amali, no? The Cobra champion po siya sa Boston Marathon. Here I come, no? Again, in which lagi, no? Gapa-up ng break. So again, there's the product again. Si Amali is about silang husband and wife, no? With Noy, nasa 2% share with my YouTube and Freedom, no? Again, anata kay utang kabubuton po rin ako nila. So, increase at itong igamit, no, in which nga specialized po na siya of shoes, no? Yan. Here, no? Champion po rin triathlon sa Mali. Again, sa Trust and Faith, no? Again, this is our winner gumitarya. Tambal sa tanang sakit, dili tumaron. Exercises kapoy ba tayo ka, no? Again, nag-isa sa Mali about that tungkol sa shoes, no? Muna nga, specialized mo for the athlete, no? Balag ito, you have 3 choices, no? The ordinary, para sa stroke o sa elderly. And then, for that triathlon, no? Athlete nga, naman siya kuyog the shoes. Again, the time is about 1 minute and 25 seconds. And then, if you're gonna run on the October, no? October the 26 at the Korea, no? Again, thank you.